From Europe to Asia and the Pacific, we witnessed some of the latest and most inspiring events happening in the Church of Christ. Let's check it out. Our first stop takes us to the ecclesiastical district of Italy North. Lying off the northeast coast of Italy is Slovenia, a land of breathtaking contrasts. From its snow-capped alpine peaks to its winding serene rivers, has produced remarkable figures such as NBA superstar Luka Doncic and United States First Lady Melania Trump. And now this beautiful nation sets the stage for a momentous occasion as the group worship service at Ljubljana is inaugurated. Church of Christ members from across this ecclesiastical district gathered to witness this sacred and historic event.
Sa unang pagsamba o inaugural worship service dito sa Slovenia, maraming salamat po sa Ama at sa pamamahala. Yung mahigit 2 buwan namin panata na magkaroon na po ng group worship service sa Slovenia. Ngayon po, nagkaroon na po ng unang pagsamba, galak, tuwa, at saka pagpapala po ng Ama na natanggap namin sa araw na ito. Napaka-warm po.
Prior to this historic moment, members would endure lengthy commutes, traveling up to 300 kilometers twice a week to attend worship gatherings. But after receiving approval of the church administration, members were filled with joy and deeply moved and eager to reach this long-awaited day.
Nang nabalitaan nila ang kapasyahan ng pamamahala, ang pagpapatibay po nila ay napuno sila ng kagalakan at kasiyahan at lalong nabigyan sila ng inspirasyon na lalong magtalaga sa kanilang paglilingkod.
The special gathering was led by Brother Dennis Lovendino, minister of the gospel sent by the church administration from the Philippines, reminding members of the importance in following and upholding the teachings of the Lord God. The inauguration was followed by an oath-taking of new church officers, pledging their dedication to upholding their sacred duties.
Masayang-masaya po kami dahil natatag na po ang group worship dito sa Slovenia. At nangangako po kami na pagtatalagan po namin ang aming mga tungkulin. Mamahalin po namin ito at gayon din po magtutulong po kami sa gawain pong pagpapalaganap.
Sisikapin namin na lalago ang Iglesia ni Cristo dito sa bansang Slovenia at higit sa lahat yung mga kaibigan din namin. Sa awa na tulong ng Diyos, makakay namin sila.
Sa pamamagitan po ng pagpapatibay ng ating namamahala, ay naisagawa po natin ang inaugural worship service dito po sa Ljubljana Group Worship Service sa bansang Slovenia. Patuloy po kaming nangangako, kami po ng